Screw neck finish clamping claw with the attached tool. Place the Preform with the neck finish downward on the center of the neck finish clamping claw. Tighten the neck finish clamping claw. Move the digital indicator close to the neck finish and recompress the contact by 2 to 3 mm. Rotate the neck finish clamping claw 300. Continuously rotate to find the minimum value. Record the minimum value and reset the instrument that records the minimum value to 0. Continue rotating to find the maximum value, and then calculate the verticality, not the maximum value, to find the maximum value by 2 to obtain the perpendicularity deviation of the sample Preform.